Gonna get your zipper zip?
Got it.
Well, we're at Grand Falls in Joplin, Missouri. Our grandson has a game here today at 4:30. We're just kind of checking it out. We've never been here. I didn't realize it's this close to I-44, did you?
No, and we've always talked about coming here, but just never have. So
never have.
Today's the day.
Yeah, you can see it behind us there. So there's a little trail to our right here. We're going to see where it goes.
Yeah, it's a little sketchy here, though. Okay?
Sketchy.
I'm just saying. There's like a homeless guy walking around, I think. I don't know. And people are just parked here and sitting in their cars.
I'm gonna lock the back of the truck too.
Yeah.
Well, next time we go to San Antonio,
look, the interstate's right there.
The interstate's right there, so we didn't know this Grand Falls, or now we're here at this place. It's called, I'll turn you around here, Wild Glade. It's a little hiking trail. We're going to see where it goes. One of Kathy's adventures. We're killing time is what we're doing.